Now, we warned you at 5:30 that it was coming, and it's here. Those wind gusts have really picked up across western Montana, and it comes after a record-breaking day of warm temperatures. Here's a look at the wind ramping up just as the sun was going down in Missoula. Again, we had temperatures in the 60s all day. These wind gusts are projected to surpass 60 miles per hour in some parts of our area tonight. And that is just the start of this cold front, as the winds are not showing any signs of slowing down.